Hey guys, what's up? This is a very impromptu video judging by the tired look and the condition of my hair. I don't think it's very hard for you to guess. So I was just chilling in my bed and I had this thought that NEET UG is in a week. And I know a lot of you are going to appear for the exam, so I thought that it is my humble duty to serve you with some Pronax to deal with the gigantic pain in the ass last few days, the stress that comes with it, and I know that it can be a lot. I'm just here to make it just a little bit easier for you, and I'm going to share with you the things that I think might help you the day before the exam, the things that might just make it easier for you to tackle the stress, and because it's very important to keep a healthy mindset during this time, to relax yourself. So the things that I'm going to mention might be useful for any kind of competitive exam that needs a long-term preparation, but considering the timing of this video, I'm going to use NEET UG as a reference specifically. So here are some personally vouched for tips that you can use the day before the exam to just de-stress yourself. So the thing that I would recommend first and foremost is to remind yourself that there is nothing you can do to change your preparation. So panic revising or just cramming random things is not going to help you at all. If anything, it's just going to make your brain fog up all the information that you already have stored, and it's just going to feed you with all the things that you've crammed the day before the next day, and that is not going to help you perform any better. So instead, what I recommend is just shoving your books in the deepest, darkest corners of your room and just relaxing a bit. If you absolutely do need to revise something, what I'd recommend instead is just sit still and let your brain go wild. By wild here, what I mean is just let your brain come up with the topic, any random topic, and then just quickly go over that topic in your brain over 5 minutes. And things that you can't remember about that topic, just refer to the books for that, and then just go on about the same way for random things that your own mind comes up with. But again, like I said, personally I would not recommend going for revision the day before, because ultimately it's not going to make your preparation any worse off or any better. So the next thing that I recommend is something that you're going to like, I have a feeling. Pamper yourself. Yes kids, self-care is key. So yes, do that. Watch movies, play video games, eat something delicious. All of these things will help you calm yourself, will help you relax a little bit, and will not just make you go into that panic state again. Another secret recommendation is to stay away from friends and family who stress you out. Sometimes people can unknowingly negatively impact your energy, and that can be a stressful thing, and you do not need that the day before the exam. So what I recommend is just making an excuse like you're studying or something like that, and just not giving yourself an opportunity to just go into that zone of doubting yourself and things like that. So this is one of the best recommendations that I can give you, and this personally works the best for me, so I don't know if it will work that well for you, but making a plan for what I will do after the exam works really well. So this kind of positive reinforcement makes you excited, makes you pumped up to perform your best in the exam, because then I would be looking forward to something, because this experience of just giving the exam might not be something that your brain is looking forward to. So give it something to look forward to. Write down the things that you want to do just after the exam gets done, and subconsciously you will feel excited about the next day, and you will have this energy, and when you are excited about something, you automatically perform your best, and that is what we need. It might be something as simple as just going shopping or spending time with your friends, or it might be something like a vacation or a trip. Plan something, anything. Convince yourself that you're going to do that just after the exam, and then you will ultimately feel this positive thing in your mind to look forward to, and that is going to help, I think. So this next recommendation is going to be really textbook. You already know this. Drink plenty of water, get 8 hours of sleep, maybe throw in a stretching session, meditate, do yoga, go out for a walk. All these things you already know. You already know the benefits of doing these things, and I know you're not going to do these things. So there's really just no point of me vouching for it, because I know that this is something that you hear 100 times already. One thing that I would like to add in this though is to get everything ready and packed, so that you get a sense of completion, and when you get a sense of completion, you also feel more in control, and that is key in a situation like this. So the last thing that I would like to say is just chill out, let your mind take charge. The only thing that you can do right now is feed it with a positive outlook, and even if you're doubting yourself, just fake it, fake the confidence. And when you fake confidence, you do act confidently just to give yourself the benefit of the doubt, and you also become more certain to perform better, and that is all that we need. So just do that, and your mind will do the rest. So be around people who are not making you feel guilty that you're not studying all the time. Be around people who are supportive of your situation, who are positive, and believe in you. And all these things are very important the day before, because they give you a sense of calmness that you need to perform well the next day. So I wish you guys all the luck in the world. I know you're going to do great. Even if you don't, this is not the end of the world. Let me just tell you that this is just one of many experiences that life is going to throw at you. And even if you don't perform your best this time, it's going to be at something else. And this is just a part of life, and this is just one tiny little experience for you. So don't base your worthiness on this one exam, on this one test. And there are a lot of other things that you might be better at, or might ace it much better than this exam. So that being said, I do hope that you perform better and you ace this test. So yes, alright guys, so I hope that it was a helpful session for you, and I think it was a really important one as well, because I remember my time when I was going to give NEET UG. The day before, my mental status was not at all what I would describe as being healthy. So if I can help you just not do the things that I did, which was again all the things that I mentioned you not to do, so that is something I think that might make a difference in your performance. I think that these little things can help in building your performance and increasing your productivity in a lot of ways. So I hope that you will take something from it. Again, I wish you guys all the best, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye, take care.